Parlong, ni pedang sumahaya pi siya ka spoken tutorial halor ka solving ODEs using Scilab ODE function. Hakabakot jang kani ka jing hikay pinsanang kumno ban pendan kam ya ka Scilab ODE function. Ban solve kinuksa jang ka ODEs but plot ya ka solution. Kinuksa kinday motion jang simple pendulum, Van der Pol Equation, but Lorenz System. Ban record ya kani ka jing hikay nga pendan kam da ka Ubuntu 12.04 kum ka operating system but Scilab 5.3.3 version. Ban persyang ya kani ka jing hikay unang puli uday ban don ya ka jing tip badan kam jong ka Scilab but day ban tip kum no ban solve ya ki ODEs. Ban nang ya ka Scilab ngob hapet ya ka jing hikay baya day badan ha ka spoken tutorial website. Ka ODE function kaday ka ordinary differential equation solver. Ka syntax kaday y equal to ODE hapo parenthesis y0 t0 t but f. Hangnya y0 uday initial condition jong ki ODEs. t0 kaday ka initial time, t kaday ka time range, but f kaday ka function. Shimya ka jingyad jong simple pendulum. I baka theta t kanday ka angle bala penlong da pendulum but vertical ha kapor t. Ni ay ki initial conditions. Theta of 0 is equal to pi by 4 but theta dash of 0 is equal to 0. Nang ta ka position jong pendulum la ay da theta double dash t minus g by l into sine of theta t equal to 0. Hangni g equal to 9.8 meter per second square uday acceleration due to gravity, but L equal to 0.5 meter kadika length jong pendulum. Nakabanta ki initial conditions bala ay ngihap ban solve ya ka ODE hapo ka time range 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 5. Ngihap ro ban plot ya ka solution. Tungin pa ya ukod ban solve ya kani ka problem. Play ya ka pendulum.sci ha ka Scilab editor. Kalain maningkong jong ukod ka define ya ki initial conditions jong ODE. Nang ta ni define ya ka initial time value but ni ay ya ka time range. Nang ta ni penkala ya ki equation bala ay siya ka system jong ki first order ODEs. Ni bujli ya ki values jong g but l. Hangning isyem ya y banlong o variable theta but y dash banlong o theta dash bala ay. Nang tangi call ya ka ODE function ringkat bat ki arguments y0, t0, t bat ka function pendulum. Ka solution siya ka equation kanlong ka matrix but artali ki rows. Karo bandingkong kandon ya ki values jong y ha ka time range bala ay. Karo ba r kandon ya ki values jong y dash hapo ka time range. Kum tangi plot ya baro artali ki rows kat kum ka time. Save but execute ya ka file pendulum.sci. Ka plot ka pen i kum no ba ki values jong y but y dash ki kala kat kum ka time. Pai siya ka Scilab console. Lalapi kwa ban yo i ya ki values jong y type y ha ka console but nyon enter. Ki values jong y but y dash lapen i. Tungin solve ya ka Van der Pol equation da ka bapendan kam ya ka ODE function. Ni ay ya ka equation v double dash of t plus epsilon into v of t square minus 1 into v dash of t plus v of t equal to 0. Ki initial conditions ki day v of 2 equal to 1 but v dash of 2 equal to 0. Shushim ba epsilon is equal to 0.897. Nihap banwat ya ka solution hapo ka time range 2 less than t less than 10. But nang ta plot ya ka solution. Tungin pa ya ukod na kabenta ka Van der Pol equation. Pai siya ka Scilab editor but play ya ka vanderpol.sci. Ni define ya ki initial conditions jong ki ODEs but time but nang ta define ya ka time range. Namar ba ka initial time value la I kum 2, ngizdang ya ka time range ha 2. Nang tangi define ya ka function van der Pol but shna ya ka system jung ki first order ODEs. Ni bujili ya value jong epsilon da 0.897. Hang ni y ka thau sya ka voltage V. Nang tangi call ya ka ODE function but solve ya ka system jong ki equations. Khadu e ngi plot ya y but y dash versus t. Save but execute ya ka file vanderpol.sci. Ka plot ka ba pen i ya ka voltage versus time la pen i. Tungin ya siya ka Lorenz System of Equations. Ka Lorenz System of Equations la I da x1 dash equal to sigma into x2 minus x1. x2 dash equal to 1 plus r minus x3 into x1 minus x2, but x3 dash equal to x1 into x2 minus b into x3. Ki initial conditions ki day x1 0 equal to minus 10, x2 0 equal to 10, but x3 0 equal to 25. I ba sigma unlong equal to 10, r unlong equal to 28, but b equal to 8 by 3. Pai siya ka Scilab editor but play ya ka Lorenz.sci. Ngizdang da ka ba define ya ki initial conditions jong ki ODEs. Namar ba ki don lightly ki ODEs ba ya pair don lightly ki initial conditions. Nang tangi define ya ka initial time condition but nang ta ka time range. Ni define ya ka function Lorenz but nang ta define ya ki constants bala I. Sigma, r but b. Nang tangi define ya ka first order ODEs. Nang tangi call ya ka ODE function ban solve ya ka Lorenz System of Equations. Ni equate ya ka solution siya x. Nang ta, ni plot x1, x2, but x3 versus time. Save but execute ya ka file Lorenz.sci. Ka plot jong x1, x2, but x3 versus time la I. Tungin batay kalum ya ka ne ka jing hikay. Hakani ka jing hikay, ngiladap puli ban develop ya ka Scilab code, ban solve ya ka ODE, da ka bapendan kam ya ka Scilab ODE function. Nang ta, ngila puli ban plot ya ka solution. Pet ya ka video ba don haka link balapan i harum. Kabatay kalum ya ka spoken tutorial project. Lada pimdan ya ka bandwidth ka babiyang pila ban siya download bat pet ya ka. Kakenhuan jang ka spoken tutorial project, kapenlong ya ki workshops da ka bapendan kam da ki spoken tutorials. Ka certificates siya kito ki bapas ha ka online test. Nakabentak hambon ki jingtip babanya as ngobhat ho siya ka contact at spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken tutorial project kadi siya benta jong ka talk to a teacher project. La kersyanya ka da ka National Mission on Education lingba ka ICT MHRD Sarkar India. Kambon ki jingtip al organika mission ki don ha ka ling balapan i harum. Nga imeburin na shilong nga penkot yakani. Kublay shibon.